Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Please like, share, and don't forget to subscribe. I'm back with.
They were about to go out because even now I'm home alone because they're still not sure, and it's currently 9 minutes to 1 a.m. So, baby, if you're seeing this,
Oh man, the way she's so young. Ugel was based at Midrand and she was arrested for imeda of her boyfriend Yaki. She's a 22-year-old Midrand woman from Krimtat in Kiani, Limpopo, and has been arrested for allegedly murdering her boyfriend in the early hours of Monday, I think the 22 September 2025. The victim, the 31-year-old Mr. Sichavo Tsanisi, originally from Mahinga village outside Malamulele and an employee of Great Giani municipality, sadly was found dead at Colenbrook Estate, I think in Midrand. And amaphoyisa waseMidrand, ispokesperson yakhona u-Mbabama, said police responded to a complaint around 1:58. That time bekayenza ilona ugeli, bekayenza ivideo as athi 1:15. Yeah, same day. On arrival, police officers discovered Ntwani Sisi, the same guy, Ushichabo, lying on the kitchen floor with a stab wound to the upper chest near the neck. Guys. Oh, a yellow handle was found next to his body. And suspect obvious is identified as Miss Joanne Ntokoto Mabasa. We don't actually know ukuthi ubembulalelani ekubeni she knew very well ukuthi uphuma nabangani bakhe. Maybe she thought he was cheating or something. The girl was found kusindele and she admitted to stabbing her boyfriend. And ama-paramedics when it came asemawafika laphana phela bafike uSithabo sekashonile. Oh guys, so the girl was arrested and taken into custody by SAPS waseMidrand. And I'm sure everyone is asking themselves ukuthi girl uzofika kule point ukuthi uzomgwaza umbulale umntwana abantu just because bekaphumile nabangani bakhe wabuya ngabo 1:58. Why kumele uzimbulala? Why? He's a man, he's not married to you. Yes, he can cheat, he can do all of these things while in the relationship with you. But as much as we stand with women, why are you able to take out a knife and stab someone to death? Why? 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 Today, this guy was laid to rest, and the family like was so heartbroken because he's also a family provider. What's this? The breadwinner family like. So I'm saying family like because you stabbed him to death. Let's hope justice will be served because, guys, let the would see. Sithi amadoda abolele ejele while abafazi mababulala amadoda sithi mabazwelwe. Guys, what are your thoughts on this? This is so heartbreaking.